Living in Ghana is not just about things like buying property, buying cars, starting businesses, but it's also the day-to-day living. And one of the things you need is to find where you can fix your shoes. If you love your shoes and you want to save them, I'll show you exactly where you need to be. So I'm here at Soles Stiches at A&C Mall. I wanted to share this place with you because if you are planning to live in Ghana, one thing you will discover is how quickly your shoes will be ruined from walking in the streets of Accra because there's hardly any sidewalks around, or just the wear and tear of the environment. It's like the humidity, something about it makes your shoes damage quicker. And so when you're looking for somewhere to repair your shoes, this is the perfect place to come. Now, I have had this experience where shoes that you've had for a long time, when I was in Canada, I can be having shoes for so many years. I can have shoes for 10, 15 years and nothing happens. If I don't wear them that often, I can pull them out of the box, pull them out of the closet, and they're perfectly fine. Not here. You can have your shoes in the closet for a while and you haven't worn them, or they're even not in a closet, they may be on a shoe rack, and then all of a sudden they're peeling, or they have this like mustiness about them, this like, it looks like there's something mold or who knows, whatever it is. But if you bring it to Soles Stiches, you can have them fix your shoes. They are very professional. They do things top-notch, with top-notch quality, and you can trust that they'll get the job done. So, like for example, this I was walking somewhere and got caught in the stones. Sometimes you're walking and you're walking by the gutters and you gotta jump over and you just never know what can happen. This one, it tore as I was about to put the shoes on, so I'll fix that. This fell out, so I gotta fix it. And then this one, I wear these a lot for walking, and this is worn and wear and tear from walking, and it's not even from a long period of time. And then this one also has to be replaced, and just a little bit of cleaning and polishing up, changing the lining inside, because the peeling happens inside the shoe as well. So I just wanted to share this place with you at A&C Mall in East Legon, Soles Stiches, the perfect place to come and fix your shoes when you're in Ghana. And so I'll show you the after when these are done. They do a really, really good job, so I'm really excited to show you. I'm back at Soles Stiches after dropping off my shoes, and you can see they are all done. I am so excited. You know, this one is actually one of my favorites. I bought these at Nordstrom Rack, and the soles were totally damaged, so they've redone it, fixed up the leather. It looks so fresh. I can't wait to wear these again. And these became my basic flat shoes, you know, walking around in Ghana. So this came off and they put it back on very nicely, clean up the shoes, it's looking good. So I got a bunch of shoes here. These ones, the story, I had them for 1 month. I wore them maybe 3 times. And then I put them on one day and I don't know what happened, some way the strap tore. Thank God, they fixed it. They gave me a new strap. This is great. I'm so happy. I'm so happy! And then these ones, you know, one of the things about Ghana that you need to know when you're coming to Ghana, the roads, okay? If you do a lot of walking, even if you don't do a lot of walking, you're getting out of your car, you're going somewhere, the roads are rough, there might be a gutter, there might be something, your shoe gets stuck in, or just the roughness of the road in general, and then your heels wear out. Ladies, if you have stiletto heels or anything like that, they are going to be done in this Ghana. Ghana is great, wonderful place, summer all year long, but your shoes, you need to take care of them. And if you come to Soles Stiches, this is one of the best places. You will see, one thing you'll see in Ghana is somebody walking around town saying, shoemaker, 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 shoemaker. And they are there to help fix your shoes. But a lot of the time, the craftsmanship is not done very well. And then your shoes start to fall apart again. So this is a great place to come if you want to fix your shoes. Soles Stiches. I am here picking up my shoes after I had them dropped off. I mean, I know they'll bag it for me, but I'm just going to bag it right now. I'm just excited to go home with my shoes, get to wear them. Finally, again. So once again, Soles Stiches, follow them on Instagram, check them out, send them a message, maybe send a picture of what it is that you want them to fix. They can tell you, give you a quote before you come. And just know that the quote will be maybe a quote based on the picture, but once you actually come and they see it, then they'll give you the accurate quote of what they can do. And trust me, they will do a good job. So that's my tip for those of you coming to Ghana, or if you're already in Ghana and you need your shoes fixed. This place is located on the top floor here at A&C Mall in East Legon. Very easy to find. Very easy to find. So that's it. Thanks for watching.